Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy new year guys. Yay! It's great to be alive and well, which can only be by the never-ending grace and mercy of God. In today's video, I'm going to be moving out of my status quo and I'm going to show you all how I resize the waist of my jeans. This tutorial is for everyone because it's easy and simple and it requires no or less expertise with sewing. Trust me guys, after this video you are not going to be frustrated when your jeans are a little bit oversized at the waist. So I began by measuring my waist, which was about 24.5 inches, because I tightened it a bit. I didn't want to be wearing any belt, so I got 24.5. Yeah, this was too tight, so I loosened it up and I got 24.5 inches. Then I went ahead to measure the waist of my jeans and it was about 31 inches. Just look at how big these jeans were at the waist. Oh, what I'm going to do is to create some dots at these sides of the trousers. That's simply what I'm going to do, and the size of the dots is going to be taken from the difference between my waist length and that of the trousers. So after creating the dots, I measured the waist of the trouser or jeans to check whether I got the waist of my size, and I got it. So it's as simple as that. You don't need to unravel anything at the waist. All you need to do is create your dots, and you're good to go. So 24.5, perfect. So I took it to the sewing machine, I guess, and I sewed it. But there was a problem, a little tiny bit of a problem. The pockets, So after sewing the dots, I realized that, as you can see, the room for the pockets became small. So here are the dots. I sewed them on. So I'll have to adjust the pockets to prevent those holes or spaces from it. So let's go back to the sewing machine. So I removed almost all the pockets except the base here. As you can see, I removed them and laid them down again. Lay them down and pin them down without the pins, and sent it to the sewing machine and sewed it down. That's it. As simple as that. So it's very, very simple. So here it was all pinned down with no poking holes or spaces. As I told you, it requires little or no expertise. Like, this sewing machine is almost my age, but it was able to do it. So this is just that simple. So simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to help others find this video, and also subscribe to enjoy more practical DIYs and hair tutorials, and to help you not to miss out on the latest content, hit that notification bell so that you are always in the loop. Your support means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. If you tried this hack, please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section. Until then, stay creative and stay inspired. Bye.